Hi, this is Subramaniam Shankaran. Hallucination. There have been a lot of talks around this particular topic, hallucination, where the AI generates a content with a high degree of confidence, which is factually nonsense and incorrect. Okay. In fact, in one of the cases where the AI, okay, has led the people to a place called Wellborough, okay, Wellborough Hot Springs, okay, where it doesn't exist actually. The hot spring doesn't exist. It led the tourists to that particular spot, and where they found there are no hot springs at all. It's an hallucination, classic example of hallucination. There are a lot of classic examples of hallucination as well happened in the past. Okay, now this proves that the AI, okay, it's still an immature platform. Okay, it's prone for a lot of issues. Okay, and this hallucination is something which is creating a very big challenge for everybody. So it is predicting something, okay, which is factually incorrect. Okay, the generation is factually incorrect. Now let me do this one part of the story. The other part of the story is where our great Elon Musk, okay, has said Tesla Optimus Robo will be a better than any human surgeon in 3 years' time. Okay. Now, if the hospital contains a robotic surgeon, okay, I'm not sure how many people will really be happy and confident to be a part of that particular surgery. Okay, I had seen a lot of videos where in Dubai, it's an AI saloon. Okay, you put in your head there. Okay, and it's a wonderful haircut is what you actually have. Okay, and it's all excitement. Okay, now AI is also prone for the safety issues. Okay, and AI is also known for the unpredictable behavior. So there are two things: unpredictable behavior, and then it is prone for the safety issues, because out of the seven pillars of governance, safety is also one of the pillar. Okay, so safety is is to securing the humans against the harm. Now, if the robotic surgeon or the Optimus robotic surgeons, okay, which the Elon Musk is actually suggesting, okay, or predicting, okay, is also prone for what is called the hallucination. Okay, that is number one. It is also prone for the safety issues. Okay, now in this case of hallucination, it is predicting something. I don't expect the robos to be all the time right, because 2025 we saw a case where the robo crushed an employee to death in one of the South Korean factories. Okay, so the robo can actually make an incorrect surgery. Okay, that's one part of it. Now all the humans are not the same. Okay, now every patient. Okay, now there's a statistic that says the surgeon, okay, the capacity, or let's say the competency of a surgeon is only 10% from what he has studied. Remaining 90% is from the experience. Experience is the wealth that the human actually has. Now AI also is the same thing. It studies from the data set. Okay, and it also learns from what is called the feedback loop. Okay, now if it learns from the feedback loop, it is subjective to what it is actually learning. Okay, now the humans coexist. Okay, the surgeon can speak to another surgeon to ask, okay, am I doing what am I doing is correct or not correct? I'm not sure whether that capability is there on the robotic surgeons. Okay, robotic surgeons very expensive. Okay, not it might be for the countries where the manpower is extremely less. Okay, and they can buy a robotic surgeon and then use them on the operation theater, but not for every country this is possible. Okay, not buying it. India has got a large manpower. Okay, qualified surgeons. So we don't need a robot to do it for us. Okay, so the situation might not be the same in all the country. Okay, so the robots are also prone for hallucination. Robots are also prone for the safety issues. Okay, so getting onto a robotic surgery might not be an very prudent step forward. Okay, it deals with safety. The Waymo cars and all these cars, self-driving cars, we are facing a problem. Okay, so there are a lot of fatalities. Okay, and it's taking illegal U-turn in San Francisco. There was a power outage, and it was standing still. Still, we are learning from the mistake. Okay, the learning from the mistake for a self-driving car is different. Learning from the mistake for a robotic surgeon is actually different. Okay, so stay safe yourself, stay safe from cyber attacks, and stay safe from AI based cyber attacks. Okay. Cheers. This is Subramaniam Shankaran. Stay connected for more information on AI. Thank you very much. Cheers.